What about you? You look like you thinking entrepreneurship. Okay. Well, entrepreneurship is the activity of setting up businesses or a business in hope of a profit. When you guys hear that, who says, yay me, yay me, yay me, I want to be an entrepreneur and hope that if I invest this money, that I'm going to make a return on my investment? Who says that? Maybe a little bit. Not really. No. When you hear that, taking on a financial risk in hope of a profit, most people are like, I bet I don't, because I don't even got no money to invest. That was me. I'm like, I don't got no money to invest. So to make a financial risk in hope of a profit, I ain't even got no money to invest. So I'm going to need a little bit more than hope. So what if I told you, though, that risk that you would be taking is actually you betting on yourself? Does that make you want to be like, okay, maybe I can do that. I'm bet on me. Okay. The second part of entrepreneurship, aside from business and profit and risk, is you believing in yourself. You believing that something that you have in your mind, the world needs. And you saying, I don't care who or what somebody has to say about what it is that I'm doing. I believe that I'm going to be successful in this venture that I start.